Whether your business is in the traditional way or online, inventory management is one of the most crucial factors when it comes to growing your business. Effective inventory management is the way to go if you want to avoid losses from misplaced items, returns, and spoilage when reducing the overall inventory costs. It gives you a clear idea of what you have in stock and what you should do to meet the customer demand. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to manage the inventory in a Shopify store. Inventory is the number of goods and materials that are available in stock for sale to the customer. Inventory tracking can help you prevent selling the products that have run out of stock. It will also notify you when you need to order products or raw materials to manufacture more products. You can imagine the inventory from the admin panel of your Shopify store. Let me show you how to do that. First of all, go to the Shopify admin. There you will find a submenu named Inventory under the Products menu. Now click on Inventory. As you can see, there are a few columns available over here. For example, product name, SKU as in stock keeping unit, when sold out, etc. Here the when sold out column refers to the behavior when the product is not available in the stock. We can see that it's showing stop selling, which means it will prevent you from selling this product when it is out of stock. But if you want to change this behavior for a product, simply select the product and click on More Actions. There are a few actions available in this drop-down list. Let's select Continue Selling when out of stock. After that, you'll notice the status is changed. Once you are done, unselect the product. The Incoming column maintains a transfer record from the locations of other stores. We have another video for this. If you are interested, you can check that out as well. In the Available column, you can check the number of products available in stock. You can edit the quantity from the last column. If you want to set an amount of 10, select Set from here. Now insert 10 and press Save. As you can see, now you have 10 products available. In case you want to add 5 more, select Add. Then enter 5 over here and press Save. Suppose you have lost a product, or one of your products got damaged somehow, and that's why you want to update the quantity. To do so, select Set and decrease the amount by 1. Now save the updated quantity. To find your desired product in the inventory, you can use the filter or sorting option. Let me show you how to make use of this filter option. Suppose you're going to filter the product from the inventory based on availability. To do that, select Availability, and from there, select Available Online Store. Then click on Add Filter. You can also sort the filtered result using this Sort By option. As you can see, there are a few options available for sorting the filtered results. Here I am selecting Available, descending. You can edit the inventory for a single product from here. But if you want to edit the inventory for multiple items, you can do so using Import or Export file options. This is an outstanding Shopify feature that allows you to make bulk edits to your inventory products. Let me show you how to do that. First of all, click on the Export button. Then a dialog box will appear where you can select what exactly you want to export. If you want to export the products from the current page, select the Current Page option. Select all variants in case you need to export the products from the variants available in your store. Here you also have the option to export products only from a few of the selected variants as per your needs. If you need to export only these inventory products that match your search and filters, you can also do that by using the Current Search option. For the Export As, keep it as it is, and click on the Export Variants. Now download the CSV file, where all your inventory products will be exported. Once you have downloaded the file, open it. After opening the file, search your store location, where you can see the quantity available for each of your inventory products. Here you can see that there are a few products. The available quantity is 30. Supposedly, we want to increase the quantity to 40. To do that, all you need to do is insert 40 over here. Similarly, we'll update the quantity for a couple of other items and save this file. Afterward, let's log into Shopify admin again. Now I'm going to show you how to import products into the inventory. First off, click the Import button and choose the CSV file that you want to import. Once the file is uploaded, click on the Start option. After importing, if you can check the inventory, you will see that the quantity has been updated to 40. This way, you can easily edit your inventory products in bulk. It will save a lot of your time and make the whole inventory management process easier than ever. So that's it for today's video. I hope you can easily manage the inventory in your Shopify store. If you have any questions regarding this video, please let us know in the comments below, or you can contact us directly from our website, HasThemes.com.